Demo, and I will be teaching today how to use MuseScore. MuseScore is a free music writing software that you can get online, and it's very user-friendly, but here's just a crash course just to get you started. So whenever you open up the software, it will give you this box, and if you already have some stuff written in MuseScore, you can go and click here to get to those, but if you're just starting out, you're going to click Create New Score, and here it gives you the option to put a lot of the stuff that you'll see at the top of music. So what's really nice is even though this is a free software, it gives the look and it makes your music look professional even though you didn't spend any money to create it, which is awesome. So for the title for this one, we'll just put Trial. Composer, I'll put my name. And copyright 2018, just to where you can see how this all lays out on the paper. So continue with our formatting. Now we can put the template, so what kind of staffs do you want? You can put different instruments if you may write for a trio, for a band. They give treble, bass staff, grand staff, for choral music, chamber music, jazz, solo, popular, everything you could possibly want is all pretty much right here. You just have to click it, you don't have to format it yourself. So for this we'll do a grand staff. And here you can pick whatever key signature you want, and you can even put a simple marking if that is what you're looking for. So we'll do a simple 90. And here you can put your time signature, and so the top number you just type in here, and for the bottom number use the little drop down arrow, which is very nice. You put a pickup measure and even the number of measures, which I personally really like because then it doesn't make you add or delete measures once you're finished with your piece, or if you need more measures. Even though it's easy to do that, I like to have my measures all laid out for me in the beginning, so that's really, really nice. So once you're done with your formatting, you'll click Finish. Now you're ready to actually start writing music. So to put in your notes, so first off you have all your notes up here, and you can add dots to them to make them longer. We have our rest, and we have accidentals up here. So to put the notes on paper, you're going to click the Notes Input, and you're going to choose what rhythm you want. So let's say you want to start with half notes, and you put them on the line or space that you desire, and we even play the note, which I like. It kind of helps you to hear your music as you're building it. And let's say you want to go to a different note, you just simply click it and you drag it to wherever you want. And so you can see as we're writing, it's adding in the rest to keep the measure full. But if you do want to put a rest, you can either just put the note after the rest, so you see it keeps those rests in there, or you can click the rest and whatever length you want. So if you want an eighth note rest, put that right, eighth note rest. You have to click the note, then the rest, and then just put it wherever you want. So with the rest, you just have to click the note, then the rest to put it in. And if you want to switch staves, it's just as easy. You just click whatever rhythm you want, and you just start putting it wherever you need. So as you can see, it's very user-friendly, and which is really, really nice. So let's say you're finished writing your piece, and now you want to hear it. Very simple. You click on wherever you want to start, so that could be the beginning or the middle, or if you just want to hear one measure, you just click wherever you want to start and press the space bar. Very nice. And you just click the space bar to stop. Also, what I like to use a lot, especially if I'm writing music quickly, is you can click the accidental if the pitch is selected, or you can click the accidental and then put it in. But I also like to use your arrows to go back and up or down to create the pitch that you may need. I think that helps a lot when you're doing writing music fast. So yes, that is a basic overlook of MuseScore. Thank you so much.